Welcome to our first lecture. In this video, we are going to learn about what is chemistry. Before we begin our journey into the depths of chemistry, we need to know what exactly is chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes that it undergoes. On the slide, you see it being defined as the study of matter, its chemical and physical properties, and the chemical and physical changes it undergoes. But what exactly is matter to begin with? What is classified as matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And you might say that everything has a mass and everything occupies space, but let me give you a few examples where that is not true. Energy, um, energy as in solar energy, electrical energy, heat energy, wind energy, none of that has a mass associated. Any form of energy doesn't have any mass. And neither can you say that it occupies space. If something occupies space, it must be displaced from its location in order for something else to take that space. Well, when it comes to energy, there is no such thing. So if you are studying energy, you are not practicing the science of chemistry. Similarly, what about light? If you investigate the nature of light, light has no mass and it doesn't occupy space the way matter does. Hence, if you are just studying light, you are again not studying chemistry. And then there are other sciences such as the science of psychology. If you study feelings, emotions, none of that has any mass or occupies space. I'm sure they matter, but not in chemistry because according to the definition of what is matter, it doesn't occupy mass or space. However, light and energy do come into play when you study chemistry, but not in themselves. Light and energy can have effect on mass, on matter, and that's when we investigate them. For example, there is a field of chemistry called quantum mechanics, where you study the effect of light on matter. And then there is the field of thermodynamics in chemistry, where you study the effect of energy, how energy is related with matter and what effect it has. So that is the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. The changes that matter undergoes can be classified into chemical and physical changes. And later on, we are going to look at what is the difference between the two and what exactly happens when matter undergoes changes.